Hello, hi, how are you today? My name is BaileySarian, and I know what you're thinking. Why do you keep showing up here looking a mess, Bailey? It's just my life, okay? So, don't mind the situation on my head. I'm trying to get like this wig to be glued down. Whatever. So, the other day on my Instagram stories, I was gua shaing my face. I was using this little tool on my face, and a lot of people were DMing me asking, Bailey, what is this? What are you doing? What is that? Do I need that? Should I get that? What is that? Help me. I got a lot of questions, and I did follow up on my Instagram stories and kind of explain what it was, but I still had a few people ask me to make where am I? YouTube. A YouTube tutorial on it. So here I am. I'm making a YouTube tutorial on gua shaing. I got this as a Christmas gift back in like December, Christmas. But it is something that I've been using ever since then, and I really love it. And I want to share it with you guys. Not sponsored. So what is Gua Sha? Gua Sha is a traditional Chinese medicine in which the skin is scraped. Not that scary, promise. What it's doing is releasing unhealthy bodily matter from sore muscles, stiff skin, anywhere where you have like chronic pain. It's getting the blood flowing to that area, and it's also bringing new oxygen to that area. And what that means essentially is that it's going to help repair, regenerate, heal, and recover the area. Just know that this isn't like supported by like current medicine. It's not like you're gonna go to your doctors and they're gonna tell you to gua sha the hell out of your body, is what I'm saying. So what is this gonna do for your face? It's gonna help firm, lift, tighten. It helps with sagging skin, helps remove all the built up fluids in your face, kind of drains everything out. Like for me, I use it because when I wake up, I get really puffy. You can't see my cheekbones. I'm just one big salted puffy mess. My diet, if I would just eat better, I'm sure I wouldn't look like this. We're gonna age. That's okay. Don't be afraid. I was reading online because I was kind of curious like what else this can do, and it also says it can help clear acne. I don't know about that. So some websites say like avoid any areas where you're having a current breakout, and then other websites say it can help those areas. So I don't know. I would think to avoid those areas because you might be spreading the bacteria around. But again, I don't know. Just leaving that there. But I do know you should not use this if you're taking blood thinners or if you get blood clots in general. The main reason that I got into this, like scraping, is something that I've always been interested in because I would watch scraping videos late at night because I just like those things. I don't know. You can use this tool all over your body, and they would use it on people's backs and they would scrape. Now, if you look up these videos, they're intense, and these people turn black and blue and they'll be bruised for like days. But it's made to really help with like back pain, just if you're feeling sick. It's supposed to help with all of that. The farthest I've ever gotten is the back of my neck because I do suffer from migraines. I've mentioned this a couple of times, so I'll use it on the nape of my neck, and boy, does it feel good. So a lot of people are asking, okay, well, what's the difference between Gua Sha and the Jade Roller? And it's great for like the under eye if you are feeling puffy, if you need some liftation. This one I don't really go for that much because I feel like it's treating like the surface of the skin. I feel like this one gets more underneath the skin and it's bringing blood to the surface. Where this one, I can't say I've ever used it and noticed like the puffiness going away. I could have done a little bit more research as far as like what the difference is. I just know for me personally, I feel like this one's getting more deeper into the skin, whereas this one is treating more of like the surface of the skin. They suggest you shouldn't do it more than 10 minutes a day. The pressure, you just want to go lightly on the face. It shouldn't like hurt or feel uncomfortable. You do turn very red, and that's okay because it goes away, and I kind of like it when I turn red. You want to start at the top of your face and then work downward. You want to make sure that your skin is nice and moist. You can use a serum, a moisturizer, and oil. Online, most of the times they recommend an oil. I use Sonia Rosselli or Rosselli Water Bomb Skin Prep. I love this stuff because it's everything in one. It's like an eye cream, it's a serum, it's a moisturizer, and it's a skin primer all in one. For me, I don't really like to use oils on my face, so I don't use an oil. But let's say I ran out of everything and the only thing I have is an oil. I'll use an oil to do the treatment, and then I'll go wash my face right afterwards. So I'm starting at the forehead, and I just do like right above the eyebrow. I do like 20 swipes, and then I do the other side, and then I will go upwards on the forehead. Then I'll go on the eyelid, and then underneath the eye. Make sure that your last motion is going upwards. We want to go up. We want to lift. Don't go down. Light pressure. The 2 points at the end of my nose and the end of my mouth, and then coming upwards. The tool like hugs your cheekbone. I look like I'm gonna go play dodgeball. But do you see like how like right there, look, I got a dent all of a sudden? Okay, now I'm gonna go like middle of my mouth outwards. Then we're gonna do the jawline. Now this is the part where I've heard mixed reviews. There's a lot of websites say you should go upwards on your neck. But then I've read other websites where they say you should go downwards on your neck because we're draining like all the fluid from our face and we want to push it out. I personally go downwards. I don't know what the right thing to do is here. You can start to feel like the fluid draining in the back of your throat. I know it sounds gross, but it's true. And that's really all there is to it. This you want to do morning or nighttime, and let me know what you guys think if you do get it. We can have like a Gua Sha party. That'll be so fun. Have a good day today. Make good choices, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.